Hi there. Welcome to Taking a Practice Speaking Exam, Part 2. Using your phone to practice overcoming speaking exam stress. Speaking exams. Most people feel like this. So, do you get stressed out during a speaking exam? Do you get stressed out just thinking about taking a speaking exam? Do you want to know why? It's because of something like this. Most people can imagine the speaking exam as there's lots of choices, right? You don't know what question you're going to get. You don't know what answer you're going to give. You have no idea what will happen. You probably think that all of the questions and all of the answer choices are going to be horrible. So most people feel very unhappy about speaking exams. But it doesn't have to be that way. It's actually very easy to overcome the stress of a speaking exam just by taking mock or fake speaking exams in a very particular way, which I'm going to show you how to do. So what should you do? Well, first off, understand that practice makes perfect. So the first few times you do this, you may not be happy with your speaking answer. It may seem very stressful, but the more you do this, the easier it becomes. Alright, so you're gonna need a smartphone because we're going to be doing mock speaking exams. So you're going to use your phone to actually make a video of yourself answering speaking questions. Alright, so you're going to need a few things to be able to do this. You might want to take a few notes here. Alright, so you're going to need a smartphone or some other video recording device, but I strongly recommend that you use a smartphone. You're going to need a list of practice speaking questions. Now, in the previous video, I showed you how to use your North Star textbooks to actually make practice speaking questions. So you might want to go grab that list. You're also going to need a timer or some sort of clock because you're only going to have 1 minute to give yourself to take notes and 2 minutes to actually give your answer. You're going to need a desk or some sort of table, and it should be clean. Like, it shouldn't have a lot of stuff on it. Most importantly, you're going to need a quiet area to practice in. You're going to be saving each of your 3-minute videos, and in another video later on, I'm going to show you how to analyze your answers. So you need to get a good recording of yourself. So find a quiet area. Alright, so you want to set up your mock speaking exam area to look like this. So you're going to be sitting on one side of the desk or table, and you want to have a big chair on the other side, right? Because the examiner sits on one side and you sit on the other side. Alright, so you're going to set up your speaking exam questions so that you can easily see them. And your phone should be ready to make a video recording. Alright, so make sure that you can read your practice questions. So you notice here that there's just one question on the sheet of paper. Now you can also use a computer screen, in which case you want to have one question per screen that you're looking at. Alright, so you can also have a friend hold your phone, but if you do that, make sure the friend holds the phone so that it's right in front of you, so that you actually see yourself being recorded as you speak your answer. Alright, so again, we're going to be recording 3-minute videos, and we're going to be practicing under test conditions. So with your timer, you're going to give yourself exactly 1 minute to think and take notes. So get your scratch paper and your pens ready. You're going to use your timer to give yourself 2 minutes to speak a full answer from your notes. Now, recording yourself, video recording yourself, plus using a timer helps to replicate or reproduce real speaking exam stress. So it will feel stressful, but again, the more you do this, the easier it becomes. And eventually, with enough practice, it won't even be stressful. In fact, the real speaking exam might even feel easy. Okay, so to sum up, basically, to overcome speaking exam stress, you just need to keep video recording yourself answering questions while under exam stress. Because the more you do this, the easier it becomes. Now, an important point, again, keep your videos, because I'm going to use those videos to show you how to analyze your answers later on. Alright, so again, keep in mind small steps. Step by step, everything's possible. So you may not be happy with your answers in the first few mock speaking exams, but don't worry, just keep doing it. Just keep focusing on practicing and speaking. Because the more you do this, again, that stress that you feel right now, it'll disappear. Just keep practicing. Okay, so now it's your turn to actually try this. So you might want to get ready. I'm going to show you 6, maybe 7 questions that we're going to practice with. So you may need to pause the video at this point and set up your exam area. And when you come back, we'll actually start the mock speaking exam. Alright, so our first question is going to come from the North Star Listening and Speaking book, Level 3, page 51. Alright, so I'm going to be using different North Star books here, Level 2, 3, and I think 4. There's a lot of different levels watching these videos, but all of the questions are pretty easy, so you should be able to practice no matter what level you are. Okay, so mock speaking exam question 1. Alright, so get your timer ready. Space exploration has many benefits. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. Remember, keep your video. Remember, one question, one video. So make a new video for every single question. You're going to use these videos later to analyze your answer. So pause the video now and take the mock speaking exam. When you come back, I'll show you a new question. Alright, our second question is coming from the Listening and Speaking book, Level 3, page 153. So this is mock speaking exam question 2. So get your timer, get ready. Here's your question. Tourism has a positive impact in Turkey. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. Remember, keep the video because you're going to use it later. Alright, so pause the video now and take the mock speaking exam. I'll show you a new question when you come back. Alright, our next question is coming from the Reading and Writing book, Level 3, page 109. This will be mock speaking exam question 3. So get your timer, get ready. Here's your question. Young people no longer follow in their parents' career footsteps. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. Alright, so if you're a lower level, what this question is asking is, do young people do the same jobs that their parents did? Do you agree or disagree? Give reasons and details in your answer. Alright, so remember, keep your videos. And go ahead and pause the video now. Take the mock speaking exam. Alright, our next question is coming from actually the first two videos, or rather video 2 and video 3 from this video series. This will be mock speaking exam question 4. So get your timer out, get ready. Here's your question. Friday is the best day of the week. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. Again, keep your videos. Go ahead and pause the video, take the mock speaking exam, and I'll show you a new question when you come back. Okay, this question is coming from the Reading and Writing book, Level 3, page 3. This is mock speaking exam question 5. So get your timer, get ready. Here's your question. Extreme sports are better than non-extreme sports. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. Again, keep the videos. Go ahead and pause this video and take the mock exam, and I'll show you another question when you come back. Okay, this question's coming from the Listening and Speaking book, Level 4, page 53. This is actually coming from 2 different places on page 53. So this is mock speaking exam question 6. Get your timer, get ready. Here's your question. University students do not sleep well. They are affected by a lack of sleep. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. So if you are a lower level, this is basically just asking, or it's making a statement saying university students do not get enough sleep, and this is a problem. Do you agree or disagree? Alright, so again, keep the video, and go ahead and pause the video, take the mock exam, and when you come back, I'll have one more for you. Alright, so all of your other mock speaking exam questions, they're going to come from your own question list. So the questions that you made from the North Star books, whichever level books you're in, use those books. So you want to have a timer, and you're just going to show your question like this. And again, after your statement, you always say, do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons and details in your answer. And again, I recommend you keep all of your videos, 1 video per question, so that it's easy to analyze them. And I'm going to show you how to do that actually in the next video. Alright, and remember, after you actually show yourself the question, go ahead and take the mock exam. Alright, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in future videos.